Light sensors. What is a light sensor? Light sensor is an electronic component that detects light and convert the energy from photons, which is light particle, into electrical signals. This electrical signal can be changed in voltage, current, or resistance, which is an electronic circuit can then use to measure light intensity or trigger an action. How it does light sensor works? Photons absorption is the principle when a photons or light strikes the semiconductor material, its energy is absorbed by the electron. Then the electron excites and moves up the shells and break free from their atoms, creating a charge carriers. The movement of these newly created charge carriers then change the material electrical properties in two ways. If the current is generated, it's called a photodiode, but if the resistance is changed, it's a photoresistor. Photodiodes, as an example you can see here, the photodiode is a piece of special materials which normally made of semiconductor that is normally doesn't let much electricity through. When light particle or photon hits the materials, they transfer their energies to the electron inside. This results to the electron to be excites and jump out of its shells. These newly freed electrons start moving and create an electrical currents. This principle is based on a photoelectric effects. However, on the other hand, photoresistor or the LER are made from highly resistive semiconductor material. During the absence of light or there is low or less to no light intensity, the semiconductor has a very few free electrons. This causes an increase in resistance. However, if material is affected by light or the light strike the semiconductor, the energy from the photon is absorbed by electron and form a charge carrier. This increase in the number of charge carrier and increase material conductivity, therefore it lowers electrical resistance. This principle is based on a photoconductivity. This is an example that you can see during daytime of the street lamp. The light intensity is very high and the LDR keep the lights turned off. But during at night, there is low light intensity. The LDR switch lights on. Thank you.